How to change oil on 2022 Honda CRV. So I already removed those screws from the bottom. That pan, they have a new system, they got pan underneath. It is very easy to remove the filter. It's very easy to, you can reach, and over here the oil plug. So I'm gonna remove both. I need a 17 socket to remove this. So I do a oil change at home. You know what I'm doing, so I just always change oil at home. So I'm gonna make a quick video, so you know my video can help people who wanna change oil at home. It's too expensive to change outside. It's only good oil. Even I put this, blind Santhem, and it's only cost me around $40 at home. And I'm gonna put a good oil in it by my hand. You don't believe outside what they do. So I'm gonna open the oil plug. So I already opened the oil plug. Oil start draining. So that's first time I'm changing oil. My brand new 2022 Honda CRV. So it's EXL. All they got same filter, everything. I'm gonna show you filter and oil what I'm gonna put in. So I got filter TG7317, and every brand, like a mobile one, they have a different filter number. This is like a normal medium size filter. So this is the oil, see, fully sent. So I'm gonna put this one in it. It cost me like around $35 both filter and this, and outside they want to charge like a $65. So, and I bought it from Walmart. They do same thing. They charge $60. So I'm gonna do it in a half of, I'm gonna put my labor and change the oil. So oil filter always open to your left. I'm changing the oil by myself, so it get a little hard sometimes for one person. So I'm gonna lubricate the seal with the old oil or new oil. You can use anything. So I remove already filter, and I put a back drain plug. So I'm gonna put a back filter. So filter always you put it by clockwise. So already done. I put a new filter and up tied the drain plug. So I'm going to pour oil in the engine. I cannot make a video pouring oil because I'm doing by myself. I was holding my phone and making video, so I can help somebody to save some money. So oil, I already pour the oil, and I'm gonna recheck the filter once again. And you always do hand tight the filter, never over tight with with anything. So I'm gonna just check again with the hand tied filter. And I'm gonna also check the oil plug again. Good. I start the car for like a little time, so I'm gonna put the cover back. And if you have any question, feel free to drop a comment. I will give you answer. It's not too hard. It's easy to change the oil. And thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe.